iTunes updates bring new features to improve file management, including iTunes file sharing introduced in iTunes 9.1. But many users still don't know how it works or how to use it. In this video, we'll explain it clearly so you can make full use of it. Part 1. What is iTunes file sharing? Simple, fast file transfer between devices. Preserves original file quality. Allows selecting specific files, no full sync needed. Supports selective file management for compatible apps. Keeps file metadata during transfer. Part 2. How to use iTunes file sharing. Step 1. Connect your device via USB. Step 2. Open iTunes and select your device. Step 3. Go to Apps and find File Sharing. Step 4. Choose an app to view files. Step 5. Drag files to PC or click Save to. To transfer files from computer to iPhone, drag files into the app's document area in iTunes, or click the Add button and select the files from your computer. Part 3. The best alternative to iTunes file sharing. When iTunes file sharing feels limited, users often choose Mobikin Assistant for iOS. It helps transfer, backup, and manage iPhone or iPad files on a computer without iTunes, making data handling faster and easier. Step 1. Launch the software. Install and run Mobikin Assistant for iOS on your computer. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone or iPad to the computer. The software will detect your device automatically. Step 2. Backup data to iTunes backup location. Click on Super Toolkit from the top of the main interface. Select iTunes Backup and Restore. Then choose Backup to backup data to iTunes backup location or other folders on your computer to start the backup process. Step 3. Store data to your iPhone. When needed, go to restore data back to your iPhone. Just select the backup file you want to restore.